What's up guys, welcome to the channel. This is Sky. If you're new around here, we unbox and review random stuff you didn't know you needed. Today I'm back at you with another Artisan keycap. This time it's from one of my favorite keycap makers, which is Joiha Jelly Key. If you're not familiar with them, look them up. They make some amazing keycaps. And actually my very first Artisan keycap was the Joiha Jelly Key Nature's Rage Inferno, which I do have a review for it on the channel. Don't feel too bad about it if you watch it. It was one of my first video and it has terrible editing, but the keycap, it's cool. This time around I have the Zen Pond 2. This one was actually $72. I joined the group buy a while back and I have it here in my hands. And feel free to look at the story that they have going on, because they make all of these stories for these keycaps, and I think it's pretty cool to also add a story to it. I can't wait to open this one up. I haven't done a Jelly Key keycap in a while, so if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Alright guys, and here you have it. And wow, I have not had a packaging from Jelly Key in a while. You really gotta give it to them. This is pretty cool. You have your foam here protecting it, and then you have your nice Jelly Key wood box with a Jelly Key stamp. Very old school and nice touch right there. Let's open this one up. So, oh wow, this is beautiful. I've really missed getting some keycaps from Jelly Key as well. So as you can see, I went with something different this time around, and I went with a space bar. And this one here is from the Zen Pond 2 series. And as you can see, it has a koi fish inside. I don't know what is it with me and the koi fish lately. It's not like I love koi fish or anything. And let's just look at the detail on this. So Jelly Key is one of those artisan makers that's been around for a while. And it's kind of like Dwarf Factory. You will not go wrong with the quality of their keycaps. And I believe they've been around longer than Dwarf Factory as well. So just the colors themselves are just so cool, how the pink transitions into the purple and the purple into the blue right there. And then you can see the koi fish inside there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 koi fish in there. And you can also see the variety of the colors in the koi fish. This one is olive orange and black and white. This one as well, but this one is mostly white. And then you have kind of like a gold koi fish in there, just lost in there. Looks pretty cool. And then just look at how all of this just rushes up and just blends in there. Like, this is just amazing work. I really love these keycaps. I love art, and I believe this is all a piece of art, and they're definitely worth the money in my opinion. So when you look at the bottom of the keycap, you have, this is also something I love from Jelly Key. So they have the Jelly Key stamp right there, and they have your unique serial number in there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I mean, not that anyone is attempting to make fakes of these, but yeah. And remember, your Cherry MX stem. And well, let's put this on the keyboard and see how it looks. I'm very excited for this. Alright guys, so there it is on the keyboard. As you can see, it looks fantastic. I really love how it looks. It really makes your keyboard go alive. And with a different set of keycaps and a different colorway, this would look amazing. If you have something purple, bluish, or pinkish going on, or even with the same keycap set that I have, just without the yellow accents, this would really look amazing. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I have to say the Zen Pond 2 from Jelly Key is quite impressive. It looks amazing. I love how the colors just bring out any keyboard to life. Wherever you put this, it's just gonna bring it to life. And with companies like Jelly Key around, making artisan keycaps is not an easy task, and you're not gonna go wrong with them. This is a piece of art. It's more than just a keycap that you're just gonna put into your keyboard. So if you're a keyboard enthusiast or you love artisan keycaps in general, this is definitely a cool piece to have. And in my opinion, they're definitely worth the value, and it brings a lot of enjoyment every time you just have the experience of sitting in front of your keyboard and being able to look at this. So with that being said, let's wrap this video up. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy this type of content, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And remember everyone, be kind to one another.